Most men think winning a woman's heart is a negotiation. They buy expensive gifts, chase constantly, and bend over backward, only to end up in the friend zone. Here's the cold, hard truth. Women don't choose the man who tries the hardest. They choose the man who stands out without trying to prove anything. By the end of this video, you won't just understand how to get her attention. You'll know how to become the high-value man she actively chooses every single time. Step 1. Stop seeking validation. The moment you make a woman the center of your universe before she's earned that spot, you lose. High-value women are not attracted to men who need their approval. When you interact with her, stop asking yourself, "Does she like me?" Start asking, "Is she a good fit for my life?" This subtle mental shift changes your entire body language, your tone, and your energy. It instantly signals that your time and attention are valuable, turning you from a pursuer into a prize. Step 2. Build emotional predictability, not boredom. Women are drawn to emotional strength. If a single late reply or a change in her mood makes you anxious, clingy, or reactive, you broadcast insecurity. Instead, cultivate grounded composure. Be the steady force in the room. You don't need to be cold or distant, just unshakable. When she sees that your mood, ambition, and self-worth aren't dictated by external validation, she feels safe around you. Emotional security is the most magnetic quality a man can possess. Step 3. Have a purpose higher than her. A woman wants to be part of your exciting journey, not your entire destination. If your life halts the moment she enters it, the tension evaporates. Focus relentlessly on your goals, your health, and your purpose. A man driven by mission naturally exudes a powerful aura. When she sees that you have a vision for your life and the discipline to achieve it, choosing you isn't just a preference, it's an obvious decision. Stop chasing. Start building. When you elevate your standards, master your emotions, and walk with purpose, the right woman won't just choose you. She'll work to keep you. If you're ready to level up your life and dynamic with women, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below with the word unshakable if you're taking control today. I'll see you in the next video.